Ever wondered which Hindu temples experienced a facelift under the Modi government? Picture this: ancient temples, their structures worn by time, now restored to their original splendor. This isn't just a creative vision, but a reality brought to life by the Modi government's initiative to renovate significant Hindu temples. From architectural revamps to intricate restorations, these temples have been transformed into glorious symbols of India's rich cultural heritage. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 temples that have been beautifully renovated. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the age-old Somnath Temple. Nestled in the vibrant state of Gujarat, this sacred site holds a special place in the heart of India's history. The Somnath Temple has been a symbol of faith and resilience, having been rebuilt numerous times throughout history, each time rising from the ashes like a phoenix. Before the renovation, the temple showed signs of wear and tear, its once glorious facade faded by time and elements. But under the stewardship of the Modi government, a new chapter began in its history. The temple underwent a significant transformation, with efforts focused on restoring its former glory while preserving its historical essence. The renovation breathed new life into the temple, with its intricate carvings and architecture now beautifully enhanced. The temple's majestic aura now shines brighter than ever, reflecting the spiritual devotion of millions. The new look of Somnath Temple is indeed a sight to behold. Coming in at number 4, we have the majestic Kedarnath Temple. Nestled in the snow-capped Himalayan peaks, this revered temple has been a beacon of faith and spirituality for centuries. But did you know that it has also been a victim of nature's wrath? In 2013, a devastating flood wreaked havoc in the region, causing significant damage to the temple and its surroundings. But every cloud has a silver lining. In this case, it was the Modi government's commitment to restoring this sacred site to its former glory. The renovation project was a monumental task, but with unwavering dedication and meticulous planning, the temple was not only rebuilt but also fortified against future natural disasters. The government implemented advanced drainage systems, constructed protective walls, and renovated the temple's infrastructure without compromising its ancient architectural beauty. The transformation of Kedarnath Temple is truly a testament to the Modi government's commitment. The temple now stands more resplendent than ever, continuing to inspire faith and awe among its visitors. Moving swiftly along to number 3 and 2, we have the Akshardham Temple and the Konark Sun Temple, respectively. The Akshardham Temple, located in Delhi, is a marvel of architecture and spirituality. This magnificent temple, built entirely of Rajasthani pink sandstone and Italian Carrara marble, had been showing signs of weathering over the years. Under the Modi government, careful and meticulous restoration work has brought back the temple's original splendor. The intricate carvings depicting tales from Hindu mythology now stand out in stark relief, leaving visitors in awe. Meanwhile, on the eastern coast of India, the Konark Sun Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, had been suffering from neglect and the harsh coastal climate. Known for its unique chariot-shaped design and intricate stone carvings, this temple is a testament to the genius of ancient Indian architects. The Modi government initiated a comprehensive restoration project, ensuring the preservation of this architectural masterpiece. The stonework has been carefully cleaned and preserved, revealing the stunning details of the carvings that tell stories of the sun god Surya. These renovations have not only preserved the temple's historic beauty but also enhanced their grandeur. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 temple renovated under the Modi government is the iconic Ram Janmabhoomi Temple. A temple that's not just a place of worship, but a symbol of faith for millions around the world. Standing tall in the heart of Ayodhya, the birthplace of Lord Ram, the Ram Janmabhoomi Temple holds a special place in the hearts of devotees. Its history is as intriguing as it is inspiring. For centuries, it has witnessed the ebb and flow of power, the rise and fall of empires, and the unyielding faith of its devotees. And through it all, the temple has remained a beacon of spiritual solace and strength. The Modi government has played a crucial role in its renovation. With a vision to restore its former glory, the government undertook an extensive renovation project. The temple was not just restored, but significantly expanded, with intricate carvings and stunning architecture that reflect the grandeur of India's rich cultural heritage. The renovation work has breathed new life into the temple, making it a sight to behold. It's not just a testament to the government's commitment to preserving cultural heritage, but also a symbol of the unbreakable spirit of the Indian people. the renovation of the Ram Janmabhoomi temple, marks a significant milestone in India's cultural and religious landscape. So there you have it, the top 5 Hindu temples renovated under the Modi government. From the grandeur of Temple number 5 to the historical significance of Temple number 1, each transformation stands as a testament to the government's dedication. These restorations not only rejuvenate the sacred structures, but also revitalize the rich cultural narratives they house. A blend of preservation and promotion, truly. These renovations symbolize the government's commitment to preserving and promoting India's rich cultural heritage. Thanks for watching.